Hello everyone! In this video I will be building these waystones using instructions found on the old Games Workshop website. Last week I was cleaning off my hobby closet and happened to find some templates between my army book. They are super nostalgic and I really like them. Before building the actual waystone, I glued the two templates into thin pieces of cardboard. It is important to cut them off evenly, since I'll be gluing them together later on. Next, I figure out which one I want to use as the top piece and which one will act as the bottom, marking where the details will be glued. Next, I cut out all the parts that will be used as the carvings on the waystone. Next, I'll glue the cut out pieces onto the other template. Here I noticed that the pattern isn't symmetrical, so I'll need to use the button template as a guide on where to glue these pieces. Now that the front is glued, I make sure there are no glue chunks left. Using the template as a guide, I will cut out two pieces of thin foam that will act as the main body of the waystone. Next I'll take another piece of the same foam and cut out the base for the waystone. Using leftover scraps, I cut out some shapes that I can use as raised areas when I build the base. Now that I have all the main pieces cut out, I figure out how I want the finished stone to look. Next I'll take sharp X-Acto knife and cut out the chunks of rock that have broken off from the main stone. In the old Warhammer lore, the condition of the waystone was really important. If a waystone was in one piece, it usually marked a safe passage. However, if the waystone was broken, it usually indicated that there might be dangerous monsters ahead. I sealed the glued mounts onto the base using a mixture of PVA glue, plaster and water. I create rough texture onto the plaster using old toothbrush. Prior to applying sand, I have also added some tree bark and plaster bits to add to the rocky terrain look. Once the base has dried, I glue on the waystones. I paint the stones by applying dark grey base coat and then dry brushing over it with lighter tones. After dry brushing, I apply a sepia wash all over the piece. After the wash has dried, I apply final highlights by dry brushing khaki and then white. Next I'll apply 2 layers of flock to create an organic look. The stones are looking ready, but since I've decided to use these in a forest terrain, I'll add some more scattered foliage to represent fallen leaves. I didn't like how clean the waystones look, so I glued on some flock to represent moss.